At number 1, the top spot goes to a character that I am not sure any other creator can top in my mind. In fact, this may also be my overall favorite main character in anything, ever. On the pinnacle stands Yusuke Urameshi from Yu Yu Hakusho. Yusuke is a troublemaking teen with sharp retorts and a talent for fighting. He's also a weird balance of naturally pissing people off or garnering friendships without even meaning to at times. My favorite thing has to be the banter. He is arguably the strongest character in my top 5 along with Mushra probably, but power is not what I like the most about him. It is the remarks he makes at random points in the story.
Emergency!
What is it, Botan? They run out of your hair dye? Nah, this place smells like ass.
He cracks me up.